오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious. hot. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. I am Babsi. Today I will cook black sugar syrup. This black sugar is unrefined sugar. This sugar is nowadays very popular in Korea, and also this is very good for health. This is full of vitamin or mineral, and then some country if you take this one and some very good for health. Many people take this one. So today I will introduce the ingredients. This unrefined sugar and water. Very simple. Only two. We need two. Yes, we put here water, about 200 milliliter, and we put here about 200. Now we start to shake. This unrefined sugar is very good for us. Nowadays, Korea very popular. Some country take this black sugar is very much good for health. They say it's full of mineral, full of vitamin, and the calcium or everything has. It's different with another sugar. Start boil. After 10 minutes, nearly ready. Look at this, little bit sticky. You see, boil is a little bit sticky. Like this. Nearly ready. Very nice. Ready! Ready! Very nice. Ready! Very nice, very good for health. If you like, please subscribe. And thank you very much for visiting my channel. Thank you.